Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moor Namhol Jaitri, and today is day 2 at Malaysia. And Moor actually room 2, it's not very well lit, so it's gonna andhar lagi thake, but otherwise it's 9 a.m. in the morning right now over here. I've had my breakfast and I'm all ready to visit another very popular tourist attraction in Malaysia, and that is the Genting Highlands. So I'm really looking forward to explore, and I'm all ready. I don't know more about Hunisu that there are certain there's a specific dress code that you're supposed to abide by when you go there. So I'm trying my best to abide by it and not take any risk of wearing something else. And let's go and let's have a look at the Genting Highlands. So come on. So we are now at the Batu Caves temple, and Mahunisuze yat ase statues of Lord Hanuman, then Sri Ganesh, Murugan, and Arajan, I can't recall. So let's go and have a look.
Vocês são algo de outro, e agora vocês estão por isso.
There are stairs out here to climb up. Guys, this is one place that I would love to visit again because it is so beautiful. I mean, there are temples and I mean the entire vibe. I'm really loving it. I'm getting such positive energy from here, and it's very beautiful, very beautiful. And as I mentioned, 20% of the population in Malaysia comprise of Tamils. So I can see that there is more of the, I can see that there's more of Tamil culture that is prevalent out here, even in case of the temples and all. This is what I feel as per my observations. I feel that there's more of the Tamil culture that is rooted over here, and I'm having a very good time. I would love to visit this place again in future if I ever happen to come to Malaysia again.
Going back on the margin.
I'm saying this again that I'm really loving this place a lot. And I have observed that it's not just, I mean, this place is originally a place where Hinduism is deep rooted. But it's not just the Hindus who are coming here. I can also see people from other religions who are coming to visit the Batu Caves. I mean, sometime back, I got a couple who asked me to take a picture. Now, I'm not sure where do they belong to. I don't think they are Indians, but I'm not sure where are they from, but they are Muslims. A traditional Muslim woman along with her husband who has come here, and they got a picture clicked in front of the Lord Hanuman. Isn't that beautiful? How beautiful is that, right? So I'm really loving this thing over here, that it's not just people from a specific who follow specific religious practices who have come here, but I can see people from different religions who follow different practices who have come to visit this place is going to the temples. So that is very beautiful, yeah. And I would love to come here again. I really would love to come here again. From Batu Caves, we have now reached the Genting Highland, and it took us about an hour or 1.5 hours to reach till Genting Highlands. And now we are in the cable car terminal. We'll be taking a cable car and we will be going high above. So let's get going. Now inside the cable car and the ride has started. I don't know if you guys can understand, but ये बहुत ऊपर है. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर है. It's very high above. This is such a beautiful place to visit. Please do come to Genting Highlands and do experience the cable car ride. As I mentioned, cable car ride was okay. I mean, I had a better experience at Singapore, but this place is amazing. It's an amazing feeling, and you know, because we are high above right now, बहुत ऊपर आছো আমি এতিয়া, because of that it's very cool over here. It's very cool and windy over here, and there's a beautiful statue of Gautam Buddha behind me. I am having a very good time over here. Can you see the wind blowing? I'm having a very good time over here. This is another place that I would love to visit again. Batu Caves and Genting Highlands. I would love to come to these places again if I ever visit Malaysia in future. And you guys too, please do visit. Please do. I don't think it's a one-time visit kind of a place. I think every time I come, I will always have a very good time over here, as well as in the Batu Caves. So let me just enjoy for some time and then I'll get back to you guys. One bell sound for one wish. So here in front of the beautiful Gautam Buddha over there, everyone was offering their prayers and making their wishes. So moyo golu, moyo mor jibur wishes asil, hebur moi kolu teor agot, and each person could get 3 incense sticks, 3ta agarbattis lobo pare. Tapsot tate moi apnaloke jehetu dekhile teneke jolabo lage, and then you go and you're supposed to share your wishes with him. So when I got the opportunity, I did it too. And there's a beautiful laughing Buddha over here. How beautiful, isn't it?
我觉得这是一个很有意义的那个。
Well, we had a short ice cream break over here, and now we are heading back again through the cable car ride itself. So let's go. So I was thinking that we'll be returning, কিন্তু আমি এটা return কৰা নাই, আমি এতিয়া আৰু ওপৰলৈ গৈ আছোগে. We are going even higher now. So let's go.
More info. Our next stop is Chin 3 Station.
We are now at the Genting Skytropolis, and during my cable car ride I could see many adventure rides and all, you know. I could see a lot of that. So I think there are a lot of adventurous rides out here. So let's have a look what all we have for us at the Genting Skytropolis. There was a dart game and there was some other game, and I won. We won. So I'm finally back to my room, and I'm so sorry. Throughout my journey back to my hotel, I did not vlog anything because I was too tired. And what is there to vlog? I mean, I've already shown everything. We were just returning. On the way we had our lunch somewhere, and then we are now back to our room, and I'll take rest for some time, and let's see if we can go out somewhere in the evening. So yeah, আজি বহুত ভাল টাইম স্পেণ্ড কৰিলোঁ. I really had a very good time at the Genting Highlands and the Batu Caves, and I would love to visit there again. And yeah, I had a very good time. And I also won. Let me show you. I'll show you guys already. I've earned a soft toy for myself as well. A cute baby pink color soft toy. So yeah, I had a very good time, and stay tuned. If there's anything else, mostly ulai jao. If I go out somewhere in the evening, I'll definitely let you guys know. মই ৰুম আহি অলপ টাইম আছিলোঁ আৰু around half an hour মান, আৰু এতিয়া ইভিনিং হ'ল, অলপ ওলাই যাওঁ, মানে বেলেগ একো নাই. But then I've heard that the Twin Tower looks very beautiful in the evening. So হেতুকে চাবলৈ গৈ আছোগে. And I actually wanted this, like I really wanted to see the Twin Tower in the evening. সেইদিনাটো দিনত চোৱা হ'ল. That was also a good experience. But then মোৰ এবাৰ ইভিনিঙতো চাব মন আছে. চ' এতিয়া আমি মেট্ৰ' লৈ পেলাই আমি গৈ আছোঁগৈ টুইন টাৱাৰটো চাবলৈ যে ইভিনিং টাইমত কেনেকুৱা লাগে এণ্ড ডেটছ ইট বেলেগ আৰু একো নাই মেইনলি মই আই মেইনলি ৱান্ট টু চি দ্য টুইন টাৱাৰ ইন দ্য ইভিনিং ডেটছ ইট চ' লেটছ গ' So I am in front of the Twin Towers and it looks so beautiful in the evening. Can you see that? I can't believe my eyes. I finally reached my room and can you see the jugaad that I'm doing? You know, all the lights are on right now, but it still looks dark because the rooms are not well lit. But it's okay. I mean, I don't have a problem. I don't really have a problem if the room is not well lit, but it's just that when I'm vlogging, that's when the problem arises. Anyways, I have now reached my room and I want to say that I had a very good time in front of the Twin Towers. And this is something I really wanted, you know. I really wanted to see the Twin Towers in the evening because I know that it looks very beautiful after the sunset when it is all lit and it looks very beautiful. And yeah, I'm so glad that I could make it happen. This is something I really wanted. I now feel like my tour is complete. I mean, I still have another day to spend in Malaysia, but you know, I don't have any regrets now. I will be leaving Malaysia without any regrets. I don't feel like something has been left behind. Ki, Are, I could have done this when I had the opportunity. I feel like I'm not going to feel that anymore because this is something I really wanted. And I'm so glad that I could see the Twin Towers. Right? Is it Twin Tower or Twin Towers? I think it's Twin Towers. And I'm so glad that I could see it in the evening. আৰু আজি কাৰণে ইমানতে থৈছোঁ. So yeah, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And the moment I complained about 2 people unsubscribing me yesterday, today I get to know that 2 people subscribed me. So thank you so much whoever did it. And yeah, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Diary of an Assamese Girl. Till then, good night. Lok pam ako.